how to watch latest movies on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch without jailbreaking. And this video will be very simple, just the way you like. So guys, once you have downloaded the app, you guys need to go to the AppValley website and install their profile to utilize this application, which is I'm showing. Just type in your passcode. Once you have done, now go to the done button, and your profile has been downloaded. Open this AppValley app without any problem. So guys, you can see you have bunch of applications like hack games, much more. But for this video I'm going to search for media box, not media box because media box has been updated by AppValley, and you can watch latest movies of 2000, like for example Spider-Man and Avengers Endgame, and US it's a horror movie. So guys, just download I if you didn't find the application, so you guys need to go to the search, and in the search you guys need to write media box, not media box as just type media box, and this the second one is called media box. So guys, you have to install this. Just tap on get, and a pop-up will open saying that you want to install. Just tap on install, and the application will be installed on your home screen. So once the application has been installed, I will be back. And please, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe my channel, and don't forget to smash that like button. So guys, once it will open pop-up just like this, and you have to click on install. Just exit out here, and you will see guys the application will be installed on your home screen guys. So I will be back once it's downloaded. So guys, you can watch movies without paying any money, and at the end of the day you will be happy that you have watched movies for free. So you can see it's downloading, so just waiting for it to install. So you guys can see that you have latest movies of 2019. So here you can see you have Aladdin, Avengers Endgame, and even you have John Wick. So guys, make sure you smash that like button. And I found this in App Valley, and you have much more features. You can even download, yeah, you can even watch online with HD resolution. And guys, you have a search button at the top. You have TV section, you have movie section. So I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for visiting my channel, and I will be catching you into the next video. Until then, one piece. Thanks for watching.